these are the things that we have to surmount. And by our spiritual evolution, we transcend these things which to other people are limitations. So I don't want anybody out there to have any limitations. Cross out all limitations. You're an unlimited being. You're subject only to what you hold in mind. You're an unlimited being. You're only subject to what you hold in mind. If you think you're stupid and ugly, well, I got news for you. You're stupid and ugly. If you think you're lovable, then you are lovable. If you think you're not lovable, then you're not lovable. So we really become that which we hold in mind. And that's why we went through these things. These are things that people just take for granted without thinking about it, unless you're in psychoanalysis, and have to lay there and discuss all these things with your analyst. The average person then has to surmount all these obstacles to fulfillment and go through these obstacles in order to reach enlightenment. So we're interested primarily in reaching the levels of enlightenment, and therefore we want to successfully transcend all these stresses of ordinary life. Good enough? Everybody for enlightenment? Yes. Hey!